Finding the right garage door to complement your home doesn't have to cost a fortune. Niles Overhead Door offers a wide selection of gorgeous Orman garage doors at prices you simply won't believe. Orman doors are the only pinch-resistant door of its kind. You cannot get your fingers caught in between the sections on the inside or the outside. This is extremely important if you have little children. As your garage door experts, we specialize in everything from installing garage doors to convenient garage door repair services. So what are you waiting for? Contact us right away to schedule your personalized garage door consultation today.